I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy bookmark. We're going to start by taking a piece of 6-inch origami paper, taking the bottom point and folding it to the top and creating a triangle. Next, we're going to take each one of the side points and fold it to the top point. And thus, we will be making a smaller square. You can also make this bookmark with smaller squares of paper or bigger squares of paper. It's up to you. So then we're going to unfold. Next, we're going to take this top piece, just the top first. Top only. We're going to take that top point and fold it down there. Took both. You only need one. And then we're going to fold that down so we now have a triangle. And then each one of our sides, we're going to take that point and fold it down here to the center. We're doing it this way because then our folds will all be in the easiest possible way to get them to do our next step. Flip it back around. I'm going to unfold. So now we're going to take these two side flaps and tuck them inside. The first one's going to be easy. The second one's going to be harder. But you have all of your folds going in the right direction, so it should be that much easier. We're just going to tuck it inside as far down as it'll go and smooth it down. Help make it lay a little bit flatter. And then the other side. The other side's a little bit more of a challenge, but the goal is to get it as far in there as possible. Then you've got all of your folds going in the right direction. You might even consider just putting the point in there and then just kind of rolling the edge over until it gets there, or as close as it's going to get there. Then flatten it out, and you now have a corner bookmark. It's a great alternative to folding over the edge of a page for your story, for your book.